Hello, everybody. Oh my goodness, it's April. Are you guys having a nice spring? Spring has sprung. The air is so fresh and beautiful. But you know what happens when spring happens? It's storage time. If you haven't been yet, get in, because this is a year like no other. As some of you may know, a few other companies have closed their first salons. So as a result of that, our storage is like this. So I cannot hold you to space. You can A, come in today, get that storage for $39.95 and that special storage cleaning and glazing for $89.95. Or you can call me. I have had a few people call ahead and reserve some space. So if any of that works for you, I would get in. We're here Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturday from 10 to 3. But guess what? If you're one of those that have been wanting to get your Restyle on, my brother's going to be here back 7th, 8th, and 9th of April. We've already started booking and we have a lot of appointments. I think I still have some left. So if that's something of interest to you, getting your coat made into something else later on, to kind of get it ready for the fall, this is the best time to get in here. It's April, you got several months, you can come back in for fittings. So remember, Restyle Clinic, 7th, 8th, and 9th. Then I want you to hold the day, save the date, mark your calendars. Cinco de Mayo, ding, 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 ding. But you know us, we're not just about having a party if we can't have some cause to be talking about. So Wings, which is an amazing organization, and what they do is they help women who have been diagnosed with breast cancer pay all their fees. They help them with mammogram. Everything is covered by that. So on May the 5th, we're going to be having an event coinciding with Cinco de Mayo. We have raffle tickets. We're going to announce that at the next event. But if you're up to it and you want to know, call me, 210-820-3877. We're going to be selling raffle tickets for amazing prizes, $25 a piece or 5 for $100. So the event's going to be here on Cinco de Mayo Day, and we hope to see you. The entry will be $25, but it's going to come with a raffle ticket. Great little light bites. You'll meet some of these amazing breast cancer survivors that actually, when you hear their inspirational stories, will change your lives. So mark your calendar for May the 5th, And if you like to knock it on the green, they are actually having a golf tournament on May the 2nd. Call me, I can give you some information, or contact Wings directly, and they can help you there. So storage has begun, Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 3. Get them in, get them clean. If you need a Restyle, 7th, 8th, and 9th, give us a call, 210-820-3877. Or, if nothing else, mark your calendar to our next fun event. It'll be almost 3 months that we've had one. So at least come, have a cocktail, wear your pink, because it's all about the pink. So I look forward to seeing you. Have a wonderful April. Get in soon. Take care. Bye-bye.